E, N, D, F.
Calling wave D, E, N, F. I think we're supposed not get.
Yes, very good. Check in your
Okay,
wave
D, E, and F. We need to check in already.
I know you guys are excited. Don't worry. Okay na. Alright, so jumping rope, you have 100.
Ito, 100. 100 po. 100 step up or jump up.
Then you turn.
You can, visit our booth.
You can go around.
May pinahain niya eh. Hindi, may ginawa dito. Sa minor sila.
Alright, E09 verification from the awards committee.
Yan, okay, sige. Good,
Okay, as I
good,
was
nice
saying
one, good,
earlier,
great job.
after a workout, you have a 30-minute window to actually eat and keep some burning. Alright? But it doesn't mean that you can eat for the whole 30 minutes.
Sir, order one. Order one.
Hindi naman ganun. Kasi yung say ko na, dalawang 30 minutes, yung metabolism mo nag-function ka.
Good job, ma'am. Good job.
Kasi Simon said,
Diretso, ma'am. Pagkatapos U-turn sa dulo.
kasi I ate for 30 minutes.
1 minute.
1 minute to go.
1 minute.
Konti na lang. Go, go, go.
This is our show.
It's your show.
Alright, seniors 20% discount, so 18. 18 jumping rope. Eh, yung half senior, yung 25 years old.
Go, go, go. Nice one.
1.
4, 3, 2, 1. Go, MC!
Alright. Calling waves D, E,
Nice one.
F.
and F. Wave D.
Time for some pain. No pain, no gain.
Yes. Alright, guys, face me. I'm gonna give you the same instructions. You're gonna do 100 jumping ropes. 100. In 10 minutes, and you cannot finish it, you need to adjust. It's okay. It only means you need to work out. I can do 100 in 30 seconds.
Great job. Sige, sir. Sige, sir.
200.
Ganyan lang.
Ganyan lang. It's not about speed.